Hello children, today we are going to start new lesson, the new bedroom. Okay, let us start the lesson. See children, the new bedroom. This is the activity. What is the activity? In which rooms of the house will you find these things? What are these things? Bucket of water, dining table with chairs, pan, sofa. So, for example, see here, bucket of water where we will find? In the bathroom. Dining table with chairs in the dining room. Pan, kitchen. Sofa, living room. Okay, this I will explain when I am giving notes. You have to do this activity. Okay, now let us start the lesson. See here, mom, dad, Susan and Tanya move into a new house. Susan and Tanya are very happy. They have a new bedroom. There is a bunk bed with a small ladder. See who moved to new house? Mom, dad, Susan and Tanya. Susan and Tanya are two sisters. See here. Susan, Tanya. Mom, dad, Susan, Tanya. They moved to a new house. Okay. They felt very happy and they have a new bedroom. See here, bunk bed. This is called bunk bed. Down one bed, up one bed. Two beds are there, no? This is called bunk bed with a small ladder. This is called ladder. Okay. There are pillows and quilts. There are pillows and quilts. There are two chairs and a table. See here, two chairs and a table. There is a big window with curtains. There is a big window here with curtains. There is a big picture and a clock on the wall. See here, clock on the wall. There are two cupboards, one for Susan and one for Tanya. See here, there are two cupboards. This is for Susan and this is for Tanya. They keep their clothes and shoes here. So they keep all the clothes and shoes in the cupboard. There is a dressing table with two drawers and a mirror. See, there is a dressing table with two drawers and a mirror. There are also two big boxes for their toys. See here, two boxes with their toys. There is a large mat on the floor. See, this is a large mat, round color. Round purple color mat is there, no? There is a large mat on the floor. Dad asks Susan and Tanya, girls, do you like your new room? So what dad is asking here? Girls, do you? Susan says, oh yes, this is a very pretty room. So what Susan is saying? Yes dad, this is a very pretty room. I like it. Thank you dad. Tanya says, me too. Thank you mom. So Susan and Tanya are very happy by seeing their new bedroom. Mom smiles and says, it is playtime now girls. You can take your toys out of the boxes. See here, boxes. In the boxes toys are there, no? A ball, bat, everything. So what mom is saying, you can take out your toys from the box and you can play with them. Then put them back in the boxes. After playing neatly, you have to keep in the boxes. Susan says, we will keep our room clean mom. What Susan is saying, we will keep our room very clean. She turns to her sister and says, come Tanya, let's set up the jigsaw puzzle on the mat. What she is saying, she is telling to her sister to come Tanya, let's set up the jigsaw puzzle on the mat. So they felt very happy by seeing their new bedroom. And they also, what they promised to their mom and dad, that they will keep their room very clean. Okay, now let us read the lesson. Okay, lesson name, the new bedroom. Okay, MOM mom, DAD dad, SUSAN Susan, AND and TANYA Tanya, See here, Susan and Tanya. Yes, T capital letters. Why? They are the names of the persons. We have to start with a capital letter. M-O-V-E, move. I-N-T-O, into. A-N-E-W, new. H-O-U-S-E, house. Mom, Dad, Susan and Tanya move into a new house. S-U-S-A-N, Susan. A-N-D, and. T-A-N-Y-A, Tanya. A-R-E-R, V-E-R-Y, very. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. See here again, S capital letter, T capital letter. Susan and Tanya are very happy. T-H-E-Y, they. H-A-V-E, have. A-N-E-W, new. B-E-D, bed. R-O-O-M, room. See, after full stop, you have to start with a capital letter. Okay. They have a new bedroom. Next, full stop. T-H-E-R-E, there. I-S is a. B-U-N-K, bunk. B-E-D, bed. W-I-T-H, with. A. S-M-A-L-L, small. L-A-D-D-E-R, ladder. There is a bunk bed with a small ladder. Full stop. T-H-E-R-E, there. A-R-E-R. P-I-L-L-O-W-S, pillows. A-N-D, and. Q-U-I-L-T-S, quilts. There are pillows and quilts. Full stop. T-H-E-R-E, there. A-R-E-R. T-W-O-2. C-H-A-I-R-S, chairs. A-N-D, and. A-T-A-B-L-E, table. There are two chairs and a table. Full stop. T-H-E-R-E, there. I-S is a. B-I-G, big. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. W-I-T-H, with. C-U-R-T-A-I-N-S, curtains. There is a big window with curtains. Full stop. T-H-E-R-E, there. I-S is a. B-I-G, big. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. A-N-D, and. A. C-L-O-C-K, clock. O-N, on. T-H-E, the. W-A-L-L, wall. There is a big picture and a clock on the wall. T-H-E-R-E, there. A-R-E-R. T-W-O-2. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D-S, cupboards. There are two cupboards. O-N-E-1. F-O-R for S-U-S-A-N, Susan. A-N-D, and O-N-E-1. F-O-R for T-A-N-Y-A, Tanya. There are two cupboards, one for Susan and one for Tanya. T-H-E-Y, they. K-E-E-P, keep. T-H-E-I-R, there. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. A-N-D, and S-H-O-E-S, shoes. H-E-R-E, here. They keep their clothes and shoes here. Full stop. T-H-E-R-E, there. I-S is a. D-R-E-S-S-I-N-G, dressing. T-A-B-L-E, table. W-I-T-H, with. T-W-O-2. D-R-A-W-E-R-S, drawers. A-N-D, and a. M-I-R-R-O-R, mirror. There is a dressing table with two drawers and mirror. T-H-E-R-E, there. A-R-E-R. A-L-S-O, also. T-W-O-2. B-I-G, big. B-O-X-E-S, boxes. F-O-R for T-H-E-I-R, there. T-O-Y-S, toys. There are also two big boxes for their toys. THERE there, IS is a LARGE large, MAT mat, ON on, THE the, FLOOR floor. There is a large mat on the floor. DAD dad, ASKS asks, SUSAN Susan, AND and TANYA Tanya. Dad asks Susan and Tanya. GIRLS girls, DO YOUU, LIKE like, YOUR your, NEW new, ROOM room. Girls, do you like your new room? Question mark. Next page. SUSAN Susan, SAYS says, OH, YES, S, THIS, this, IS is a, VERY, very, PRETTY, pretty, ROOM, room. Susan says, oh yes, this is a very pretty room. LIKE like, IT it, I like it, full stop. THANK thank, YOUU, DAD dad, thank you dad. TANYA Tanya, SAYS says, me, TOO, Tanya says, me too. THANK thank, YOUU, MOM mom, thank you mom. MOM mom, SMILES smiles, AND and SAYS says, IT it, IS is, PLAY play, TIME time, NOW now, GIRLS girls. Mom smiles and says, it is playtime now girls. YOUU, CAN can, TAKE take, YOUR your, TOYS toys, OUT out, OF off, THE the, BOXES boxes. You can take your toys out of the boxes. Full stop. PLAY play, WITH with, THEM them, play with them. Full stop. THEN then, PUT put, THEM them, BACK back, IN in, THE the, BOXES boxes, then put them back in the boxes. Full stop. SUSAN Susan, SAYS says, WEV, WILL will, KEEP keep, OUR our, ROOM room, CLEAN clean, MOM mom. Susan says, we will keep our room clean mom. SHE she, TURNS turns, TO2, HER her, SISTER sister, AND and, SAYS says, COME com, TANYA Tanya, LET apostrophe S. Let's SCT set, UP up, THE the, JIG, SAW zigzag, PUZZLE puzzle, ON on, THE the, MAT mat. She turns to her sister and says, come Tanya, let's set up the jigsaw puzzle on the mat. See children, observe one thing, wherever you will get Susan and Tanya, it is in the capital letter, means names of the persons you have to write with a capital letter, and after full stop you have to start with a capital letter. Okay, sit with your parents and try to read the lesson in this way. Okay. B-U-N-K, bunk, B-E-D, bed, bunk bed. This is called bunk bed. Q-U-I-L-T-S, quilts. Quilts means bed sheets. D-R-A-W-E-R-S, drawers means this is called drawers. L-A-D-D-E-R, ladder. This is ladder. D-R-E-S-S-I-N-G, dressing. T-A-B-L-E, table, dressing table. This is dressing table. J-I-G, jig. S-A-W, saw, jigsaw. P-U-Z-Z-L-E, puzzle, jigsaw, puzzle. So this is a jigsaw puzzle. See here, value pick. What do Susan and Tanya say to dad and mom for their new bedroom? What did they say? Here, see, thank you. Thank you, dad. Thank you, mom. See, whenever anybody gives anything to you, what you have to say? You have to say thank you. Okay? Now, A.